As a follow-up, this is the view out back, if I can get away from sunlight. There's a snot rocket over the top of the castle, over that way. Currently spraying. In fact, the whole lot's chemical. It really is chemical, a bloody lot of it. I say that because when it's tied together with what's out front, it's a frigging mess. It's a fucking disgrace, actually. See? What a fucking disgrace. Frequencies up there. On the bottom of that bit. I've got a Kembo just appeared. Right over the top of that. I can't do out by that mark on the bloody window, it pisses me off something rotten. As you can see, chemtrail wise, do all love a bloody shop, aren't they? A whole lot is bloody chemical. There's a chem, they're all chems, but down there near the flag, you can see it right. Centre, just above it, there's a diagonal. All those bloody lines over there, my god. They've been busy, what a day. Where are they at? Right through the top of the tree. Right, get out of that way at sun a minute. Up on that cloud. Where are we? That one. Frequencies in use on the bottom of that. You know, it's a piss take, this. Why can't people see it? We're being fucking poisoned. People are fucking morons, they really are. You know, if our council get away with fluoridating the water as well, how dumb do they want the bloody people, I ask you? There's a mark over the top of the hotel over that way. That's showing colours. Like a chemboard chemtrail. Let's see if I can get it. A thin line. It's under there, so that's about right. And that's showing green and brown sort of texture. The clouds up there. Right, get my bearings. Just below the wire. And there. I hope that's showing up. They're showing signs of green and purple. In particular, let's see if I get it right here. The bit with the frequencies on it. I mean, there's frequencies up on that top bit behind the wire. There's frequencies everywhere now, they're bombarding it. I think that's it there. Yeah. Now I can see greens and purples on the bottom of that. It's being wellied with frequencies now. Right across into that's that. The green and the purples going across into that one. We've got the frequencies. chemtrail. Just before the sun setting. Actually, we've got about let's guess 20 minutes before sun sets, maybe more actually. So just catch what we can. Right, just a general view. A bit closer to the window for this one. Amount of lines over there though. Like that. Just start with frequencies on that chem, the big chem. Down there. I see chunks being taken out of it. This look up here, the green's showing up pretty damn well though. Actually, I'm going to take a break and take a photo of that while I can. I'm using the display on the camera, so it's a bit hard to tell what's going on. I'm just trying to capture everything I can, so please bear with me. A cloud over that way. That's coming up extra white. And you're the old bloody chemical, aren't they? Lining out up there. I'll have to come back to this.